Good afternoon. Today we will perform one activity, that is the chapter 4, sorting materials. We read about the properties of the material. One properties of the material, this is what is the aim today activity, to test the miscibility of different liquids in water. Aim is to test miscibility of different liquids in water. What is the aim? To test the miscibility of different liquid in water. Material needed. Materials for this we want honey, vegetable oil, salt, and movie oil, and 4 glasses spoon. These materials are needed. What is honey, vegetable oil, salt, mobile oil, 4 glasses and spoon. Method: label the glasses. I have taken the glasses. I have taken 4 glasses. Label the glasses A, B, C, D and pour water in each glasses. First of all, I mark A, B, C, D. This glass is B. I think you have seen. From this side you can see. I have seen this is the B. This is C. Okay. Next, D. I mark 4 glasses as A, B, C, D. Now I'm pouring water in D glass. At sample, I'm taking this one. This is the, I think, salt. Now stir each mixture and then wait. You should wait. In C glass, I pour the water. I put the another things that we have taken the vegetable oil. See, should I stir it? Now B part, glass number B, I'm having some water. This is the honey. In A, I have taken the water in A glass. Next one is the mobile oil. I am putting mobile oil here. Now you see the condition of the mobile layer. It forms the separate layer and it float on the water. Now observe the glasses of observation. Observation, you make the table. Serial number, sample, what you have taken, and you make two columns, miscible in water, immiscible in water. Clear? You make this table. Now first of all, I check A. We add water and we add the mobile oil. And now you see clearly it forms the layer on the water. It is not mixed. It is not mixed with water. It forms the two layer separate layer. It float on the water. A part is complete. A part we have taken what type of the sample? Mobile oil. Second B part. B part we have taken salt. What is the condition of salt? I think it is mixed properly. Now you see we have taken the C part. C part we have taken this is also vegetable oil. C part it also forms the separate layer. It do not mix with water. Third sample is vegetable oil, and fourth we have taken D part, honey. And where is the honey? I think honey. Now bring the camera near. Now see the sample A. It is from upper layer and it do not mix with water. So it is miscible या immiscible? It is immiscible in water. A part is complete. Now second one, this is B part. We have taken salt. It is miscible or immiscible? It is miscible. Salt is miscible. Third, C. We have taken the vegetable oils. It forms separate layer. It do not mix with water. Vegetable oil, it is miscible या immiscible? Immiscible. Honey. Here we have taken honey and there is, I think there is no honey in D part. It is miscible. Conclusion. The material that are miscible in water. Which one miscible in water? Salt and honey. Second, the material that are immiscible in water mobile oil and vegetable oil.